Hi there, I'm Isabella, and welcome to Clockdiary, your go-to time tracking and timesheet management tool. Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple projects and struggling to keep track of them all? Don't worry, Clockdiary makes it easy. With the project onboarding feature, you can quickly set up new projects by adding the project name and customer details. You can also update project information anytime and keep everything organized in one place. Plus, Clockdiary lets you link projects to specific clients, making it easy to track progress and manage deadlines. Let's get started. All right, to access your account, go to the Clockdiary homepage and hit the Sign In button at the top right corner. Once you're on the Sign In page, enter your correct credentials in the respective fields. After that, just hit the Login button and you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, click on the hamburger icon to open the sidebar menu. From there, click on Projects to open the Projects dashboard. Let me walk you through the project dashboard. It's divided into 7 parts to keep everything organized. In the project column, you'll see the project name. The customer column links the project to a specific client. The team column displays the members working on the project. The tracked hours column shows the total time logged. The access column lets you set the project as private or public to control visibility. The billing status column indicates whether the project is billable or non-billable. Finally, the action column allows you to quickly edit project details or update the status. This clear structure makes managing projects simple and efficient. To onboard a project, the very first step is to make sure that the work zone you've chosen is the correct one. This helps you avoid any mistakes while onboarding. Now till here, everything is going great. Now let's start the onboarding process. First of all, click on the Add New button at the top middle corner. After clicking the Add New button, a vertical sidebar will open. Here you can enter the project name. In my case, I am entering Website Redesign as the project name. You can choose the visibility as public or private. If the project is public, it will be visible to all WorkZone members. If it's private, only the members you assign will be able to see it. You can save the project even without adding a customer name. From here, you can also choose whether the project is billable or non-billable. To add a customer name, click on the drop-down. In the drop-down, you'll see an option to create customer. Click on this. Now, here you can add the customer details. In my case, I'm add a sample customer details. After filling in all the details, simply click the Save button and your project will saved. And on the dashboard, this is the project we recently added. Now that the project is saved, let's add members to it. Just click on the plus icon in the team column to get started. After clicking on the plus icon, a drop-down will open. Here, you can choose to add members as a group or individual. All the assigned members are displayed here. Sometimes managing tasks manually can be time-consuming, but no worries. If you want to add multiple tasks to the project, simply click on the pencil icon to add them. After clicking the pencil icon, a new dashboard opens. Here, you can easily add tasks to the selected project. To add a task, simply click on the Add New button. A sidebar will open where you can add the task to the project and then save it. This is the recent task we added. If needed, you can easily add multiple tasks under the same project to keep everything organized. Let's go through the Access tab. Here you can do a number of things under this tab. The first point is visibility. You can easily control whether the project is public or private. Here also you can easily add members or groups. The next point is users. Here you can easily manage users. If you want to delete any user, simply click on the red delete icon. The next point is teams. Here you can easily manage teams. If you want to remove any teams, simply click on the red delete icon. At the last, we have settings. In settings, you can edit anything like the project name, color theme, billable or non-billable status, customer name, or even add a description. And that's it. Setting up a new project in Clockdiary is quick and simple, helping you manage your work effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.